Okay guys, we are changing out the distributor cap and the rotor and the spark plugs on a 2000 Honda CRV. And if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering how that rotor comes off. Feels like it's locked in there. You don't need to pry it. There's a little screw on top, and what we need to do is just bump the engine until that is in an accessible spot. And where the way that this rotor is, there's a little opening down on that side, so we need the rotor contact point to face opposite of that. So I'm going to have my sister just go ahead and bump it until we can access, this is the new one, that spot. Okay, so just go ahead and give it a light bump. Alright, so now you can see in there, there is a Phillips head access spot. And we're just going to go ahead and undo that. So now it's just got the screw off. This should be able to theoretically just slide off. I might need a little bit of persuasion. I want to just pull on that a little bit. There we go. Cool, so there's the old rotor. Make sure you compare it to the new one. Make sure they all line up and look the same. Cool. Alright, so let's do reverse of what we did. There's only one way it's going to fit on there, so don't worry about putting it on wrong. This is a good spot where if you do have a magnetic screwdriver to use, because then it can stick to it and you won't drop it down in the engine compartment.
Like I'm about to do now.
Okay, this one should be magnetized. And that's it. So now we'll put the distributor cap back on, the new one, and make sure it all starts back up.